Hello viewers, are you experiencing phone is starting error problem on Realme phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. To fix this problem, first of all, go to settings option. Then scroll down and go to system option. Now go to reset phone option. Now here you can see reset app preference. Just click on this option. Then click on reset option. After reset app preference, now go back to home screen and see problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, normally restart your device only for power off and on. Now I hope this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.